Welcome to Grumpy John's garage. As you can see in the background, I've been busy. I got the Jeep welded together. Got the fish plate in. Got the fuel tank mount in. And I've done a wee bit of filler. Still not finished, as you can see. As you can see, there's a wee bit of filler on it. Been a couple of days at it, probably 3 days altogether. I'll come in today and I'll finish this off. This is the top glaze. Nice and round, nice and flat. A couple of bumps here and there, but I don't really care about that. I don't want it pin sharp. It just looked like a brand new tub then. Yeah, all the edges are all nice. Compared to that's the original quarter panel like you've seen in my reviews or my other videos. I showed you the quarter panels. They've turned out really well. Turned out right, nice and straight. A lot of work's gone into it right enough to get them that straight. A wee bit of filler on the dash there where that cut out was. Other than that, it's coming along. Not far away from paint. I might try and get it into primer today. It's a wet and windy Saturday morning. I might try and get this all flattened down and get ready for primer. I'm going to put a 2K primer on it. The plan is to prime and paint the inside and the underside together. I'm going to stand it up on its end on the back panel, and I'm going to paint these bits. Then once I've rubbed down the 2K primer that I've put on the sides, and I'll paint the outside separately. Yeah. So it's coming along, and I'd like to thank you for watching this wee update, and I'll see you in the next one.